Hey, so about another shirt from Gold Jerseys. They are cheap and fast. It takes 15 days and they have really good quality. As you can see, this time I bought a Portugal home from the World Cup. I put the sticker here and everything. This thing shines, looks real. Inside it has good quality as well. Even this. So it is really good. About with the number 28. As you can see here. And the Portugal logo. It's a sticker. I don't know if it's like this on the shirt, but I think so. It has quality as well, so I don't mind. Right here the FIFA logo. You can say these are original, I guess. If not, they are really good to be fake. The World Cup logo right here. Yeah, it's a sticker. Inside here and everything. This is an M, medium. Yep. And then behind. You can see the difference between colors and the quality. Right here has the Portugal logo, like the original one. And then yep. So that's it. I would recommend you all to buy. They are cheap and have good quality.